welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.4.2b, which is the last part of our question 3. Please read the information if you haven't done so. It's still the same. So the instruction says, determine the equation of the tangent to the circle at point B. The equation of the tangent to the circle at point B. So now, at this point here, right, let's say here we have our circle. Just draw part of the circle, okay? And then we have the tangent. Which touches the circle at B. This is the tangent which touches the circle at B. Right, tangent. Okay, so we want the equation of this tangent. Right, if you remember, we got the gradient of BE in question 3.1.1. We say the gradient of BE is equal to 1 over 4. If you check, BE is what? Is the radius. And the radius and the tangent, you know the relationship between the radius and the tangent? They are perpendicular to each other, okay? They are perpendicular to each other. Right, and then we also got the coordinates of B. Remember we said B, the coordinates of B, negative 4, negative 4. In question 3.3.1. That we got this one in question 3.3.1. So the coordinates of B, negative 4, negative 4. So now we want the equation of the tangent, right? So we can find the equation of what? We can find the gradient, we can find the gradient of the tangent here because we have the gradient of the radius. So therefore the gradient of the tangent is equal to negative 4 because it is a negative reciprocal of the gradient of the radius, because these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Or you can say MBE, which is radius, times M tangent, small letter m here, tangent is equal to negative 1. Okay, then 1 over 4 times M tangent is equal to negative 1. Then we multiply by 4 on both sides of the equation. We get that the M tangent is equal to negative 4. Okay, right. So now we have the gradient of the tangent. So we use our equation of the straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. Then we substitute our gradient in the coordinates of b. So it's negative 4 is equal to negative 4, which is the gradient, times negative 4, the x coordinate of b, then plus c. This is negative 4 is equal to 16 plus c, then transpose becomes negative 20 is equal to c. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is y is equal to negative 4x minus 20. Okay, done. We could have used the formula y minus y1 is equal to m, then x minus x1. Okay, y, and then we put the coordinates of b. The y coordinate is negative 4, so minus negative 4 is equal to negative 4, and then x minus negative 4, the x coordinate of b there. Then y plus 4 is equal to negative 4x. Then this is positive 4 times negative 4 is going to be negative 16. Y is equal to negative 4x. Then when you transpose positive 4 this side, it becomes negative 4. Then negative 16 minus 4 is negative 20. Okay, that's what we're supposed to do. We're going to meet when you do question 4.